Yes guys, welcome to TDO. It's Ali B on the mic MC and the hokey dokey how to do the, and check this out. I don't know how many years now it's been without any new AirPods. I've had the one, got rid of them, got the two still with me, and I think it's almost been 3 years, is it? I think that's why they're calling them AirPods Pro 3. I don't know, maybe it's just, I'm just kidding. But anyways, we are due a new look and upgrades for the AirPods Pro 3, and on September the 9th they might or might not be dropping. Let me explain. We all know that we are all eagerly awaiting the arrivals of the new AirPods Pro 3. What are their features, what are the release dates, and what are the prices? Check this out. I think, and I really do think, that Apple's next big move in the wireless earbuds, it's been, like I said, many years now since the last major AirPods refreshed, and the leaks and the rumors are definitely heating up and confusing, if you know what I'm saying. So we will see. Is it going to be a 2025 release September drop, or is Apple going to push it to 2026? This is the rumors, this is the leaks. So the rumors are regarding the features of the AirPods Pro 3 is they're going to be slicker design, a touchscreen case, smaller earbuds, more compact charging case, and also rumors have it that a touch screen on the case for volume and control button, as you can clearly see here. They're going to get the next gen H3 chip, faster switching, enhanced ANC, and a smarter Siri responses. But a big one is it has to be the health sensors. That was sensors. Game changer, big, because the heart rate monitoring and the body temperature tracking, turning AirPods into a health wearable. I've got two. I've got the Whoop, my sleep tracking, Apple Watch, my work buddy. I'm quite happy. And heart rate as well. But the AirPods are going to come with live translation features, real-time language translation, directly in your ears, perfect for your travels, restaurants, wherever you may go. And you know what? I think that's a good move by Apple. But number 5 is going to be the better durability, which is a IP54 or even higher, they're saying, improved the dust and the water resistance, ideal for the workouts and the outdoor usage. Now, you're saying, Ali B on the mic MC, what is the price, please? I mean, again, the AirPods Pro 3 prices, what do we expect? I got these AirPods 2 when they first launched at £249. They later got dropped to £229. With the Pro 3s, I think they're going to be coming at £249 with the new Trump tariffs going around, or even higher. So guys, with the new upgrades, we don't know. But this is the big question, is this one. So AirPods Pro 3 release date. Is it going to be 2025 or 2026? Because in February 2025, Mark Gurman from Bloomberg said they're months away, pointing to a September 2025 launch with the iPhone 17 series. However, in May 2025, Ming Ching Kuo, if that's his correct name, dropped a bombshell. He said no major AirPods updates until 2026. Why the delay? He thinks Apple might be adding cameras or for advanced features coming with the new AirPods. I don't know. That is what they're saying. So guys, what do you think? Are the Apple AirPods Pro 3 worth the wait, or should you just grab onto your Pro 2 for now? Drop me a comment below, and please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell one time, and leave me a comment exactly what you think, because I'm kind of confused, because they're saying it's going to be coming out definitely in September the 9th with the iPhone 17s. You know what guys, if they do come out, wicked. If they don't, I got mine. Go and get yours. I'm out.
Check this out.